those pumps run? What do they run off of?
ATP.
Remember, that was my active transport. I pump it against the concentration gradient sort of thing. We're going to run my pumps. Okay, so don't worry about who has more, who has less. Don't really care about that. Just trying to keep the whole thing together here. Okay, so let's see. We're like almost done. Like 5 minutes, we'll be done. What do you guys think? All right, then go home and think about like the dates and like what you want to do, whatever, and figure it out. We'll figure it out tomorrow or something. So. All right, so these little ion channels, there's different ways to open them and close them. Okay, so the best way is to change the voltage across the cell membrane to either open or close those ion channels. So I'm going to call that a voltage-gated ion channel. So if I change the voltage across the cell membrane, I can actually open or close those ion channels. So we're going to call it that, right? So open or closes when the membrane voltage changes, right? Found where signals may be generated, yada yada. Okay, so we got that idea. But change the voltage and open the channel. What's that? Okay. Okay. So here's like an example, maybe over here. So there's like different ways of opening and closing the channel. Said electrically, it's like a good way. You can also do it chemically too. Okay, so I have two ways to do it. So let's go with the electrical part over here. All right. So here I am. I'm hanging out at -70. Okay, so it's my voltage across the cell membrane, -70. And I can send a signal somehow, right? And if I can change that voltage, I can either open or close that one. So it says voltage gauge, it's closed already, so I probably want to open it. So I change the voltage from -70 to -50, and that's enough to open the ion channel and allow those ions to escape through there. I can do the same thing with the sodium. I can change the sodium one and allow those things to do it the other way too. So I can sort of regulate opening and closing those channels by changing the voltage. I don't care about this one too. This is the same one, like a chemical one. So they call it a ligand. Don't care. Don't care, don't care, don't care. Here's another way. You can also physically distort an ion channel. So you apply some pressure to it, you can activate it, open it up. I really don't ask much question about that because you know you can do it electrically, chemically, or mechanically, but like activate those ion channels. Don't really care. So you guys care?
No.
Okay, perfect. Okay. So let's see here. Maybe we should stop here. What do you guys think? Yeah, so let's stop here because this gets like another big chunk. We might not have time to like finish that up or whatever. So